Now, Pakistan has begun preparations for the next round of peace talks between the United States and Iran. The cities of Islamabad and Rawalpindi are increasing security measures. Negotiations on a date for the meetings are underway. Trump has indicated that he could travel to Pakistan if a deal is finalized there. So let's speak to Kamal Haider in Islamabad. Kamal, what sense are you getting there for the possibility of a second round of talks in Islamabad?
Well, preparations are underway in full swing in Islamabad. Some of the roads are being recarpeted, flowers are being put in different places, and of course public transport has been put on halt from Islamabad. 20,000 security forces personnel, including the police, military, paramilitary forces, are going to be deployed for those talks, which are anticipated to take place within the next few days, although we do not have a firm date as to when those teams will arrive to negotiate. Also important to note that the Pakistani Chief of the Defense Forces, General Munir, the General, of course, has concluded a visit to Tehran, 3 days there. He met the Iranian president, the Iranian foreign minister, and also the Speaker of the Parliament. Asim Munir, of course, has now landed back in Pakistan. And, of course, we have seen a lot of praise from the Trump administration, again on the social media, praising the Pakistani leadership. So all eyes are on Islamabad, although serious differences still remain. The quadrilateral meeting of the foreign ministers, this was a group which was formed on the 19th of March in Riyadh on the sidelines of the Islamic Arab Conference in Saudi Arabia. Then they met here in Pakistan, including the foreign ministers of Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Turkey and Pakistan here in Islamabad. So they met on the sidelines of the Antalya Diplomacy Forum, which was underway in Turkey and concluded yesterday. The Pakistani Prime Minister is also going to be coming back. So a flurry of diplomatic activity and a hope and expectation that some sort of a breakthrough may happen. Now, the Chief of Defense Forces has stressed upon the Iranians that there should be sustained negotiations in order to find a solution to bring back peace and security in the region.
Kamal, thanks for that. Kamal Haider there in Islamabad.